Oh, Robbie here. Finished up my 1975 Dodge Dart. This is the fourth time now trying to retake this on my camera. Hopefully this comes through. Couldn't take it outside. It's too windy. I tried. It would have blown off. This is Petty Blue with torque thrust wheels. Gave a little rake in the front. Black and white interior. 340 stripe from the 71 Duster. There's the motor. But hopefully you can see it okay. Oops. Now just give me a quick second. I got something else I want to show you. Here it is with its cousins. The other 1975 Dodge Dart drag car. Like they're taking each other to the drag. But anyway, this is Robbie saying thanks for checking it out and hope you can see it okay. I know my lightning can be a little bad.